Hi friends, I hope you all are doing great. It's me, Nikki, here today to put together this mini work bag, and it's going to be a giveaway also. So I'm going to take you on the journey and I'm going to give it away. So let's get started. Okay friends, I was in Marshall's. I found this cute little bag, and it was little, and I said this would be the perfect work bag for that nurse or that person that worked in retail, that they really don't take a laptop, don't need a planner, they don't need a larger size bag, but they need just a compact work bag to take every day. This measures all of 12 inches in size, so this is the cutest little thing. I love it. It does have a strap so that you can carry it over the shoulder, which always is a convenience to have with your work bag. And I have to tell you, I love the shape of it. I love how the zipper is at a diagonal that just gives it a nice look on the interior. And oh, this interior is absolutely beautiful. It's that emerald green. It's a velvety, silky on the inside pocket, and they just really did a beautiful job with the interior of the bag. And I also love that it's just easy to carry tote. It's a very soft leather also. Now, one thing I didn't like was I didn't like the Steve Madden label, and I will deal with that in a minute. But I went to Target and I found a coordinating small planner, which is perfect for that nurse or that person that works retail, because you can write your schedule down, you can write your notes, and it's very compact. Now, as I said, I didn't like the Steve Madden label. I don't know, it just distracts from the bag for me. So one tip is hair ties. You see these kind of hair scrunchies in the store all of the time. Well, they actually make the perfect accessory for your bags, your handbag or your work bag. You know how we love to tie scarves around our bags? Well, these make the perfect scarves, and they're so easy to put on. You just take the stretchy, you put it over the handle, and then you pull it through, and that's all you need to do, and it's the perfect handbag scarf. It's handbag or work bag scarf. And so by putting one on this corner, it brings this bag to spring, number one, because we're headed into spring, and our black classic bags we still want to carry, so you can always bring it into spring with a nice scarf. And I think that's what this scarf does for it. And then it plays double duty because it kind of disguises and cover that Steve Madden logo that is a little distracting to the bag. So to me, that was just the perfect combination. And in the giveaway, I'll throw in these other two for you, whoever wins, to switch up their bag. But you can see how the scarf just kind of falls over the logo and covers that up. So I was in the Target bullseye dollar spot and found this, and I thought it was really neat because it has 3 sections, and I thought this is perfect if you're that business professional and you have multiple business cards. You can put them in here and that'll keep them separated and throw it in your work bag, and it's very thin. But for this bag specifically, because I feel like a nurse or in retail, you're not going to have business cards, so you wouldn't need this. But what about for a snack bag? It's very compact. We can make it very catered to just having that grab and go. And so I thought that this would be a very fun little accessory to put into the work bag for, again, that nurse, that retail professional, that person that's just really busy and on the go. And so, of course, I go right to my Ghirardelli because this is one of my favorite chocolates. And having just a little bit of chocolate on you can just get you through when you need, you're hungry, but you can't take a break at the time, and you just sneak away and get a little bite. And then, of course, some gum just to kind of give you a refresher as you're working through the day. And, of course, I had to go with the green gum, and the spearmint, it always is a good choice. And so I'm going to put 2 rows, I think, of that in here, and then you have that on hand. And of course, I will put all of this in the packaging, so you'll have some refills also with whoever wins this as the giveaway. But I love that this has the different sections because it keeps all of your little snacks or little treats rather separated. And then I stopped and got a $10 gift card so that you could get a cup of coffee on me, and I'm going to slip that in the third, so you can always keep your gift card in there, your Starbucks card, so that and it's reloadable, so that when you're going to work in the morning, if you want to stop by Starbucks, you can do that. Now, I did test out the candy for you. I was not going to give you anything unless I tested it and make sure that it was fresh. And, so I did that, and it was. And guess what, guys? It's only 70 calories for one. How neat is that? So not only is it delicious, but it's low in calories. So now that we have that taken care of, let's take care of the most important thing, which is that morning cup of coffee, that first one, whether it's morning coffee or tea, whatever beverage. This little carafe is perfect for this mini work bag. It has a leak-proof sealing lid on the top. Fix that first cuppa as you drive to work. Perfect. And it fits in the bag perfectly also. I also wanted to include a biscotti that's perfect for that morning cuppa, so I'm going to put one of these in the bag also for you to enjoy. And of course, a self-care kit is what I wanted to put together, just those essentials that if you're working those 12-hour shifts, those long hours, and you need a refresh, just having that stuff on hand for you. So I added little things like deodorant and perfume and just all of those little essentials. Of course, hand sanitizer, that's a must for us these days. And of course, hair ties are very important too, to pull that hair back when you're working. I also felt like hand cream was an essential that needed to be in the work bag, you know, especially if you're working a register and things like that. And so I wanted that in there, along with nail clippers for hangnails, or even to use as little scissors if you get kind of strings on your clothes or anything. That's always helpful. And a small wallet for just the essentials you need to take to work. And of course, facial wipes. So those are the essentials that I wanted to include in this little self-care kit. Oh, and we can't forget the chapstick, and of course it coordinates with our bag in the black and green. So friends, let's put this bag together now. I'm going to take everything out and put it back together so we can see how to organize it. We have our little snack bag, and so in one side I want to put all the snack items, the beverages. I love that this folds up so that we can make it even more compact. And then on the other side we'll put the self-care kit along with our little mini planner and our hand lotion and sanitizer, so that will make it easy. Now, one thing that I was playing around with was this kind of bag, self-care bag, and I'm gonna tell you about that in a little bit. Now, when I put the bag together and I was looking at it, I thought it looks great, but it looks a little cluttered to me. It's that clear bag. I was not happy with it. I wanted to give it a little sophistication. I felt like the clear bag just was not there. And so I went to TJ Maxx. I found this bag and I was like, this is perfect. It could double as an after work bag if you were going out after work. It's perfect for a little pouch because it's a pouch size purse. It has dual handles on it, so if you wanted to dress it up or dress it down. So I thought that this little bag that fits in my hand was just so versatile, and so you could do so much with it, and it would be perfect for a work bag, because I'm always saying, put a smaller bag in your work bag so that you could take it for lunch, or if you have you're going for drinks after work or whatever the case may be, you have that small bag that you can just grab out of your work bag. So it's neat that we're able to even do this concept with this mini work bag. So I'm going to take all of the items out of that clear transparent bag and I'm going to put it into our new little pouch here, our new little handbag. And I love that this has a strap also because you can carry it as a crossover bag. So it's really a versatile bag and it's so small and cute and compact. I love it. So one thing that I like also is the interior. I thought it was really cute. I love that it had a pocket on the inside. I did also get a black mask. I did not mention that, but I got 2-pack black masks that I'm going to put in the pocket of this bag to make sure that's accessible. Just put a few of the hair ties in here. You don't need the whole pack, but you have some to refill. And it's tight and packed, but it's in there. And so this is so cute. I love this bag, and I love that you can carry it so many different ways, and it fits perfectly in the work bag. So it's serving a purpose as the self-care pouch, but it can also serve the purpose as a little mini handbag for after work or lunchtime or something like that. So here's the bag pack, and you still have room for if you want to throw a little sandwich on the side there, so that would be great. And I think that this turned out beautifully. So friends, I hope you like the bag. I hope you will enter to win the bag. I'm definitely doing a giveaway, but I am going to have to do the giveaway on my Instagram, at Work with Nikki Instagram. So go over to at Work with Nikki on Instagram, and on the post for announcing this video, leave me a comment, and that's all you need to do is be following me on at Work with Nikki and leave a comment on that post, and you're entered to win. Just make sure that you're 18 years or older. It is going to be a bag that I am going to ship out right away, so I'm going to end the giveaway this Friday, so be sure to hurry up and go over there and enter to win. I hope you all are doing great. I will see you at the next video, and this is Nikki saying goodbye.